Russia has passed an incredibly anti-gay law. On the one hand, they're saying they would consider an asylum request for NSA whistleblower Edward Snowden. On the other hand, they've unanimously passed by a vote of 436-0, with one deputy abstaining from the vote, a law that bans at the federal level gay propaganda. What is gay propaganda? I don't know. That's because it's an incredibly bigoted thing to pass in the first place. We will go to The Guardian. Hopefully they can explain it to us. Guardian. The law, in effect, makes it illegal to equate straight and gay relationships, as well as the distribution of material on gay rights. It introduces fines for individuals and media groups found guilty of breaking the law, as well as special fines for foreigners. Wow. Organizations can be fined up to 1 million rubles, which I guess is about 19,750 pounds, which we would then have to convert back to dollars.
That's a lot of money.
Around 29,000 pounds or something, and closed down for up to 90 days. If I'm reading this correctly, the David Pakman show went on the air in Russia, and we said gay couples exist, and a gay relationship is the same as a heterosexual relationship. That could get us fined $28,000, and it would presumably cancel the show for 90 days. When we read about this type of law, it might be easy to say, oh, that sounds crazy. They don't know what they're doing over there. But literally, when we think about it, if this show were to do the clip like we did earlier about Pat Robertson and him being anti-gay, there would be no show for 90 days potentially, and we'd have to write a check to someone for close to $30,000.
Yeah.
Despicable.
Shocking. Yeah. And, I don't know. I mean, I feel like this is one of those situations where if you're one of these 436 people, even if you do not feel, even if 100 of them don't feel that this is the correct thing to do,
right,
they really have no choice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The other thing is that this applies to tourists, because I know, Lewis, you've been interested in traveling to Russia. When I was flying back on a recent trip, there was a whole article about St. Petersburg and what a great place it is to visit. Remember that foreigners can be detained for up to 15 days and deported and fined up to 100,000 rubles for breaking the law. It's basically saying that it's kind of illegal to tell children that gay people exist. That's the border. It's not literally that, but it's pretty close to that.
Mm-hmm.
That's what's going on in Russia. And they would consider an asylum request for Snowden. Nice of them.
Well, I'm sure they just